Mustang coupe. Too much, let's move on to the next video. And Google Analytics always lets you know that, so you know when you're engaging and holding people that are viewers aware.
Makes sense.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Good, I think I confused myself. So that's it. MustangMedic videos work, and Amanda's videos at Gateway Classic Cars are gonna work too. Told you. He knows who he is. It's our little hidden joke. You don't know who I'm talking about, do you?
No,
good.
But I'm just going along.
And you're doing a great job. Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. We're gonna shoot a bunch of Mustang videos. I'm gonna be and then Amanda's gonna take over, and she's gonna do pick cars that she wants to do, and you will be able to see those videos on Gateway Classic Cars. Google it, and if she lets me know about a link, then it's down below in the body copy. In the body, the text, whatever it's called. I need more coffee.
Yeah, you're tired.
I am tired. I don't know why I'm so. Oh, playing pool. I was playing pool yesterday.
Mm.
Say goodbye, Amanda.
Bye.
Oh, good. I thought she was going to say goodbye, Amanda, but she didn't. All right, here we go.
Da,
da, da. Sold! I lost her. All right, I'll go find her. All right, no, I'm just kidding. All right, guys, here we go. Having fun out here in West Deptford, New Jersey at Gateway Classic Cars. Best way to get a message through is to repeat it over and over again so you guys remember. There's my marketing stuff coming out. You're gonna hear a lot of marketing today, all right? Forgive me. Here we go. All right, so I pulled in to Philadelphia, Gateway Classic Cars. Thank you for correcting me on that. And I met this gentleman. What is your name?
Charlie.
Charlie? And he's like, look, just stand there, Charlie. Don't move for me, okay? Look at the outfit. I said to him, I go, look, man, with this outfit, I've got to video you, and you've got to show me your car. He went and did a special trip, went out and got his car, and we're about to show it to you. Want to tell him about it first, a little tease before we show the car?
It's a 2004 Mustang Cobra. The color is Mistachrome. There was 1,010 Mistachrome cars made.
That's it?
495 are convertibles, 505 were hardtop.
From Ford?
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
It's a factory color.
I didn't know that. You just educated me.
And there was 3. Celine took 3 of them, 2 coupes, and there's 1 convertible that Celine did of this car.
And he's pronouncing his name correctly because for 3.5 years, Steve did not tell. I did lots of interviews with him. I was at Laguna Seca, all over the place, car shows, Fabulous Fords Forever. He kept letting me say Saline, and it was Celine. That is the correct way to pronounce it. So let's turn the camera around so you guys don't have to hear us talk. I know they just want to see the car. They don't really want to see us. Look at his hat.
That sounds cool.
Look at his hat. Look at his hat. All right, sorry for the bright lights. We're working on lighting. Here we go. Amanda's digging the color. All right.
I am.
Take us to your car. But is she pretty or what? She is too. But look at that. Look at that car. So I'm gonna hang on. Let me try to pan across and see if the camera can pick up the transformation of the color as you go around the car. It looks purple in the back right now, and it looks blue in the front. You see the transition? Would it be really hard if this car got scratched? Would it be hard to fix?
It's not as hard as people think it is. I have had a scratch repaired on it.